Hi, Orange Girl here with an unboxing video for you. This is the 2019 March Clique Kit, and this is for real the very first time I am opening the box other than to take off the tape. And as a result of that, as I'm going through my materials, I am a little confused as to what I have in there. Every time I get one of these, it's like a super little surprise. I love it because sometimes I add on and I forget that I've added some add-ons and so I never really know what I'm going to get. So as I'm going through the kit, you're going to see I think the complete color kit and the complete main kit. A couple of little extras that I added to my cart before they sent me the kit, and then also some of the Traveler's Notebook goodies that are in there. So this is full of the Super U collection, and then there are some other items as we go. I'll start out with the paper and then I'll move on to the embellishments just like I usually do. I hope you enjoy this video and I can't wait to see what you make with this kit. All right, so this is a bunch of Studio 40 papers. This one is called Cool, and it's the Super U collection, and this is Kaboom. This side is My Star and Comics. I could totally see cutting photos to be put in each of those. That would be cute. Ooh, I might have to do that. I really like that idea. That might be my first project. Okay, Superb and Power. Wonderful. I like the ombre here. And Invincible. Look at all this yellow. Yummy, 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 yummy. Fast. I like this a lot. Dreamy, and it is dreamy. Oh, I love that. Okay, Fantastic, kind of a blue color, and then the cut apart sheet, Adventures on the back. Okay, so that is the that part of the collection, sorry. Or that part of the kit is from that collection called Studio 40. This is Bohemian Dreams by Pretty Little Studio. This is Tie Dye. And Over the Rainbow by Webster Pages. Oh, so pretty. Also Webster Pages. This is Rainbows, it's called. And this is also Webster's Pages. It is little, I'm going to say 3 by 3 squares. It's called Smile. And then another cut apart. It looks like it has 2 by 2s, 3 by 4s, 4 by 6s. And I love this. These are my colors right here. Oh my goodness. This is called Happy Day, and I can see why, because that would make me have a happy day, let me tell you. All right, so I have all of these papers here to show you. Here's one side. And then here's the other side. Okay. All right, so that's the main kit. Let's look at the items that go with it. These are so cute. These are Clique Kit exclusive, and it's little sequins, all the right colors. Perfect. Those are awesome and cute. I like the size of them. This is Studio 40. That's the main, what's mainly in this kit, and these are little washi stickers, washi strips. This is Pretty Little Studio, and feels like fall, but look at those and how well they match, even though it's not, that doesn't look fall to me at all, but it's so beautiful. Oh, love it. Rainbowy, kind of. Speaking of rainbows, and then some stickers that kind of go with that whole superhero kind of theme. This is also from that Super U Studio 40 collection. And then these from Bramble Fox. It says hooray, super, and yay. And then these stickers that are shiny silver. They kind of have a, what do you call that, iridescent look about them, called surprise. All right, so there's that. Now let's move on to the next thing. This, I believe, is the color kits, and pardon the noise while I open. So in the color kit this month, there are some acrylic paints. Okay, so there's, obviously the colors are gonna match the kits. And then a sponge and a couple of brushes to go with that. So that's cute, I like that. I can't wait to get busy with that. And then, check this out. I love this part, let me tell you, because first of all, two of my most favorite colors, Orange Twist and Fuchsia Blue. Okay, so these are Catherine Potter, so those are awesome. And then I have, these might be things I just ordered from the shop, actually, some of these things. Some of these things might be from the Traveler's Notebook kit, because I think I put in a little bit of an extra order. So these are Traveler's Notebook size papers. Okay. Those are nice. I wonder if they're stickers. I think they're stickers. They are. They're stickers. Oh, even better. All right, so there's that. This is also in the shop. These are Pink Fresh Studio Out and About epoxy clips. Pretty Little Studio Bohemian Dreams stickers, phrase stickers. These are stickers from that Studio 40 collection, which is, I think those are in the Traveler's Notebook kit. And then the Bohemian Dreams word stickers. Not word. Word Up light blue stickers. They're alphabet. Okay. That collection's by Ashley Horton. All right. And then, whoop, whoop. I like this because it's like you got this. So A is for awesome. You are a Wonder Woman, you could say. W is for Wonder Woman. You are a star, you could do. All right. Cool, cool. I love that. You could color these. You could put these on cards. They'd be great in your Traveler's Notebook. And I cannot wait. I've never had this kind of inks before. And so I've seen a lot of people using them and they love them. So I thought I better go ahead and try them out. So thanks a lot for checking out what's in the kits these month and then the few extra things that I ordered from the shop. So I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.